Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start with essentials, a working email and a strong password. Open Safari and confirm JavaScript and cookies are enabled so pages load correctly. Once done, go to the Apple ID creation page and tap Create your Apple ID. Make sure to use an email you control because Apple will send a verification code there. You're already on the right page. The next steps fill form fields and choose security options to keep the account recoverable. You'll now fill the form, type your full name, birthday, and the email you prepared. Then enter the strong password and confirm it exactly. Mismatches block progress. Next, set 2 security questions and provide a reachable phone number for verification texts. Make sure to read and accept the terms and consider enabling 2-factor authentication for extra security. Once completed, review everything carefully before submitting so verification codes reach the right places without delay. You finish by verifying the account. Check your email for Apple's verification code and enter it into Safari when prompted. If the site asks, confirm the SMS code sent to your phone and save recovery details or trusted devices. Once verified, Apple signs you in and you can review account settings. If something goes wrong, try resending codes, inspect spam folders, or open a private Safari window and repeat the steps. That often clears.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.